Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Sugo app in 2025. So step 1, verify your account. First, make sure Sugo account is verified. If it's not approved yet, withdrawal may be blocked until you submit correct information or contact support. Then reach out via in-app chat or email with your Sugo ID, email or phone number to fix any verification issues. Step 2, access withdrawal page. Go to Member Center, My Balance, then Withdraw. That will take you to the withdrawal screen where you can choose currencies or sources to withdraw from. Don't just use the summary shown. Step 3, choose transaction and amount. Select the transactions you want to withdraw and enter an amount up to the max available. Notice withdrawal funds automatically go back to the original payment method like PayPal, card, or bank. No method selection required. Step 4, wait for processing after submitting. Wait for processing. It may take 3 to 10 business days depending on your payment method. Some users report delays up to 2 to 3 weeks or even 26 days in rare cases. So follow up if needed. If you don't receive the money within the expected time frame, contact Sugo Live Support or email with your Sugo ID or transaction details. Mention your withdrawal date and confirmation status. Customer support should assist. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.